Hey there! For today's activity, we'll be working on shapes together. Let's try doing patterns with shapes. We're going to draw and color the shape that comes next. Circle, square, circle, square. What comes next? Circle. I'm going to draw a pink circle and color it in with a pink crayon. Triangle, heart, triangle, heart. What comes next? Triangle. I'm going to draw an orange triangle and color it in. Square, triangle, square, triangle. What comes next? Square. I'm going to draw a blue square and color it in. Heart, circle, heart, circle. What comes next? Heart. I'm going to draw a green heart and color it in. Rhombus, circle, rhombus, circle. What comes next? Rhombus. I'm going to draw a rhombus and color it in. Purple, rectangle, heart, rectangle, heart. What comes next? A purple rectangle. I'm going to draw a rectangle and color it in. There, we're all done with our shape patterns. That was tricky, but you did such a great job following along. Let's try to identify and color the correct shapes next time.